this video, we're going to learn how to custom paint the white aluminium draft dodgers. Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett. I'm Technical Director at EcoMaster, and this is just a simple three-step process. The first step is to scuff the surfaces that we're going to paint, and we only need to paint two surfaces. That's the broad one here and the little edge here, because they're the only ones that we actually see. So the first step is to scuff them up so that they're dull, they're no longer shiny. The second thing is to clean it thoroughly, and thirdly is to paint it. Now, you're going to get the best result using an oil-based enamel paint. I've chosen Dulux Super Enamel, and I'm going to put it on with a 25mm brush. So I think we're going to get a good result like that. So 3 steps: scuff so that it's dull, clean thoroughly, and paint it and put it aside so it doesn't get any dust on it, because it does take a little while to dry. So let's get going with that. So we've got a Scotch-Brite pad, and we're just going to give it just rub it back and forwards like this, and the edge as well. So that makes it nice and dull. And when we finish Scotch-Briting, then we're going to get a cloth and we're just going to wipe it down several times to just make sure that all that stuff that we've scratched off is gone, and we should have a nice smooth dull finish. Okay, we're ready to paint now. We've scuffed it, we've cleaned it, and I've put it on this purpose-made rack for painting. You probably won't have that, but you can certainly just put a couple of bits of timber, 3 or 4 bits of timber to support the draft dodgers along the way, keep them off the bench. And the other thing is, because the paint's going to take quite some time to dry, you want to make sure that once you're painted, there's no minimise the air movement around the draft dodgers, so that you minimise the potential for dust to stick to the wet paint. Okay. We want to get just enough paint on there to make a nice finish. Not so much that we have a run. Make sure that you get everything covered nicely. Well, there you have it. Everything's been painted with the enamel paint, and so now we just need to let it quietly dry.